Commercial diplomacy is concerned with subjects of diplomacy such as political science, international relations, economics, and international trade. Commercial diplomacy covers the entire diplomatic negotiation process along with the economic, commercial, and legal environment in which international political analyses are made. With the Commercial Diplomacy Master's Program, it is aimed to create qualified human resources who have a good command of this terminology, who can analyze the business world and public relations comparatively, and who can establish the relationship between commercial diplomacy and investment management, and also who will increase the economic capacity and performance of the companies and the public in foreign markets. We all invite you to be a part of this quality content.